Good afternoon, students. We are doing chapter 4 of civics, which is gender, religion, and caste. Today, our topic is religion, communalism, and politics. India, like other countries, have different religions. Even within the same religion, there are different practices. Such religions differences give rise to social divisions. Religion and politics, some instances, some views. Gandhiji said religion could never be separated from politics. Human rights believe that most of the communal rights result in minority being victimized. Women's movement believes that family laws of all religions are discriminatory. Positive effects. All these instances suggest that religion and politics are related. Argument raised because of religion are not necessarily wrong or dangerous. Perhaps ideas and values drawn from a religion can play important role in politics. It helps the people to express their needs, interest, and demands for their religious community. Negative effects. Often, religious activities can lead to violence in the society. Government should keep eye on religious activities and should not allow religious discrimination and unjust treatment. It will help in bringing equality. Equality means all people are equal. Next, communalism and forms of communalism in politics. It is based on ideas and religion is the principal basis of social community. Communalism can take place many forms in politics. Number one, everyday beliefs. One opinion about the religion, conventional idea of a religious communities and beliefs of superiority of one religion over another are expressed knowingly or unknowingly in daily life. Politics dominance. People belonging to majority community to dominate over other communities. Politics mobilization. It is a common practice to use sacred symbols, religious leaders, emotional appeal, and plain fear so far as to assemble people in a community. Next, communal violence. It is the most ugly form of communalism. It involves violence, riots, and massive killing. Example, all the time of partition, India and Pakistan suffered a such communal right. Our last topic, secular state. The makers of the constitution were aware about the challenges to the country because of communalism, hence they proposed model of secular state. Indian constitution did not give a special status to any religion. Indian constitution provides freedom to practice and propagate religion of interest. The constitution does not allow discrimination based on religion. Means there is no official religion in our country, or religion are equal. Whether he is a Hindu, Sikh, Muslim or Christian has right to practice his own religion. Thank you.